Okay. It's very dark here, we have to be very quick. Okay, it's working now, yeah? Yeah. Alrighty. What's today? How many?
2 birds.
2 birds. Birds, yeah? And can you ask me a question?
How are you today?
No, this is so boring.
I get it.
Easy question. Ask me a question.
The question, she asked me the star and the moon, which one is bigger?
Oh yeah, which one is bigger than the star?
Yeah.
The sun or the moon?
Yeah.
The sun is bigger.
Star and the moon.
The star?
Yeah.
I don't know which star. There you go. you got me, I don't know. Okay.
Star is bigger than moon.
Okay. How many people live in your village? How many people live in your village?
How many people?
Many people?
Yeah.
Don't know how many. 10, 20?
More
30?
more than 20.
More than 20? 50?
100.
100?
Yeah.
Oh, you can ask me a question?
What every day you
What do I do every day? I eat a lot every day. Good question. Oh, you're very welcome. This is from Laura today. Hello.
It's always.
And what's your favourite colour?
Striper
What's your favourite colour?
Striper eye. Red.
Red?
Yeah.
And you ask me a question?
So đó. Ba đi thử mắt. Ôi đi chơi. Ôi đi. Đưa ra con như xưa hả?
Quick.
Ba đi thích xăm ở đây chọc. Để khơi mày xưa.
To focus for A too, huh?
Đó.
Come along.
To focus for A.
Quickly timed. Ding. That's it. No, you
your
don't
father
win.
name?
What's your father name?
Oh, good question.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, who's next? Al, quickly. Hello, Sambo. Sambo, what colour is this shirt? This one? What colour? Very good. Excellent. And you ask me a question? Yeah, you ask me one question. Quickly. Quickly, it's getting dark.
How do you can we?
Don't be shy.
What you want where?
What's my name? Getting better.
What you mom?
What?
What is it? What's your mom's name?
What's your mum's name? Very good. Okay, that's good. Very good. Next one. Al, come on. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Quick question. What's that?
Dog.
How many legs does a dog have?
Can we take man? Can we take man?
Leg. Four legs.
How many legs do you have? How many legs do you have? You have 1 leg?
2 legs.
I hope so. You ask me a question?
What is
What is? Quick?
What is it now?
What is it now?
Yeah.
What is what now?
What time?
What time? Yeah?
What time is it now?
Very good. I don't know. Maybe it's 6 o'clock. It's getting dark. Wiggly, last question. Okay. Can you see? Not at all. Oh, you can see the face. Huh? Okay. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have only one sister.
You have 1 sister. You want to ask me a question?
How many your brother and your sister?
I have 1 sister.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This money's from Laura, and she's very kind. She sent the money from Taiwan. Really kind of her. Can you thank Laura, everybody? Thank you, Laura.
Thank you, Laura.
Laura?
Laura.
That's great. Alrighty, thank you. It's still recording?